Power rates dropped for a second straight month this June as Meralco cites lower demand and cheaper supply from the wholesale electricity spot market, or WESM. Sujin Kim has the details.
Consumers will see relief for the second straight month as Meralco cuts its overall electricity rate by 11 centavos per kilowatt hour, driven by a decline in power consumption and cheaper spot market prices. This translates to around 22 to 54 pesos in savings depending on consumption. The main driver, lower demand in May following peak summer consumption in late April, which resulted in lower spot market prices.
Yung demand, ine-expect na natin na bababa from the peaks that we experienced during summer dahil simula na yung tag-ulan, hindi na ganun kainit, so bababa yung paggamit ng kuryente. So yun, it will tend to push down power prices.
Kasi dahil yung demand bumababa na, normally, yung presyuhan sa merkado hindi na masyadong tumataas. Hindi tulad ng summer months kung saan mataas yung demand, usually ang presyo ay sumusunod. No? We look at the seasonality of consumption. Pag pumasok na yung July hanggang yung bare months, hanggang tumawid na yan sa February, medyo stable na po yung presyuhan at yung supply. And lesser demand simply means there is less pressure for prices to go up.
Despite a slight increase in transmission charges due to ancillary services, the overall rate still declined, offset by the cheaper generation costs. Meanwhile, Meralco's distribution charge remains unchanged since August 2022. Meralco called on qualified customers to enroll in existing subsidy programs, including the Lifeline rate for 4-piece beneficiaries.
We are also encouraging our senior citizens to avail of the SC discount. Ito yung mga kumukonsumo po ay hindi humihigit sa 100 kilowatt hours. Meron din 5% discount po ito on certain components of the electric bill.
Meralco clarified that the program is funded through a cross-subsidy mechanism where non-Lifeline customers shoulder the discounts. With the rainy season in full swing, Meralco said it is prepared for weather-related disruptions and continues to invest in infrastructure to minimize outages.
This is part of our operational capability. Malaking bagay din talaga yung ginagawa naming investments sa aming distribution system, yung improvements para maharap namin yung mga posibilidad na malalakas na bagyo.
Meralco also shared safety reminders to prevent electrical accidents during floods. Sujin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.